Hi HeavyDutySupplies.com customers. Today a quick overview of the 4 options available for the right angle pipe wrench. Keep in mind that everything is 100% hardened steel made in the USA. This is where I get up and give you a quick briefing. First up, the Essentials Kit. Comes with the 28 extension, 19-inch forged steel sliding T-handle, and 14-inch wrench head. From here we keep adding more tools to your right angle pipe wrench set. Deluxe Kit. Everything in the Essential Kit plus this fantastic bright red carry case. Water meter key head with 7/8" slot and the crush proof 1.5" pipe plug. Next up, the Super Deluxe Kit. Only difference from the Deluxe is replace the 28-inch extension with 2 17-inch extensions. And here we've combined 2 of our most popular tool kits, creating the Deluxe Kit with our popular clean out plug wrench set. Comes with a convenient carry case box, 11-piece clean out plug wrench set, consisting of 5 raised square heads. All these are 100% hardened steel, welded, made here in the USA. 3 countersunk heads. The 7/8 socket does double duty for smaller raised and sunken plugs. 2 slotted heads. 1 inch slotted and 1 3/4 inch. Again, welded, hardened steel. 19-inch forged steel sliding handle. 28-inch extension, 7/8 slotted water meter key head, 1.5" crush proof pipe plug, and of course the 14-inch wrench head. 2 of our most popular kits, saving valuable space in your truck and increasing flexibility on service calls. Thanks for watching. There's free shipping on all right angle pipe wrench sets. Click on the link below for more information and pricing. Questions? Give us a call. Thanks folks.